Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Valentine's Day gift to myself video. This is something I've done for the past maybe 2 years. This will be my third time now, and it is what I like to call my timeout toolbox, and I give this to myself every year. Basically, I'll show it to you first. Give this to myself every year, and it's got bits in it that kind of keep me sane, I would say, just as I navigate my whole healing journey. Give myself on Valentine's Day because I mean it's the energy of love and everything like that, and I'm all for it, and I thought I'd share it with you just because I thought it was a really good idea. I got this idea from my therapist like 2 years ago, so like I said, this is the third time I'm doing this, and it was like a self-soothing kind of box. It was a box that had all my favourite bits, so whenever I'm like maybe a funny five, like I like to call them, or like a bad day and I'm just not of any use to myself or anyone else, I have this box. Now it actually started off as a like one of my old like trainer boxes, or one of the girls trainer boxes, but now it's got ribbon as well, and I like to share with you what's inside. So we have, what should I start with? I'll start with my journal. This is my actual timeout journal. I have journals now. I started off with just journaling how I felt in it. Now I journal like every morning and night religiously. Like there is no time. I journal every single day. And then I went on to doing gratitude. That was my like the second year. And the third year, now I've got this one. This one is for my accomplishments. So I hope to write down the things that I've done that I am proud of a lot more, because I just don't. So that's the first thing I have in here. The second thing is more books. Are my two favourite books. My two favourite books to go to. One is The Alchemist and the other one is Manual of the Warrior of Life. This one is like a really quick snippet book. You can literally open it to any page. So this one says, a warrior of light is wise. He does not talk about his defeats. And then it will give you like a paragraph on it. Really, really love this book. And obviously The Alchemist is my favourite book. So there are bits in this book that I've actually like underlined and stuff. So I'll just flip through it and then read like a paragraph or two or a page or two. And it's just 5 minutes is sometimes all you need to feel better, especially when you feel super overwhelmed with anything or everything. Next up, I have my favourite chocolate in here, which is the Lindt dark chocolate. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like I've grown up and I like dark chocolate now. I've got my favourite lollipops in there. I do keep a sweet stash in here because I feel like I have a sweet tooth, and I think it's the safest place to keep it in here. And sometimes it's nice to just come and have a sweet and actually sit and be present and enjoy the sweet. And I don't like to eat too many sweets because the child in me wants to eat all the sweets and the adult in me really likes my teeth, so you know, balance. Next up, I have a few of these like cue card things, and I've kind of written down the things that I need. So one of them, this one says phone a friend, another one is watch a movie, and I've listed all my favourite movies. And then when I do watch new movies, then I come and write them down here. I've got make a playlist, which first started off with like just listening to music. Now I've make playlists. And then this one says write it out. So I get a piece of blank paper and I write down all the things that are bothering me, and it just kind of clears my mind. Then I kind of number what's important, what's not, what can, you know, change and what can't. And then I have a blank one just in case there is anything new that I find along the way that helps me be more present and makes me feel better. I then also have incense. I'm just gonna, because I am obsessed. Smell is my thing. Smell is something that straight away makes me feel good. Like when I walk into any, like, I don't know, smell is like it's just something for me. It can make me feel at home very, very quickly, and I like that. I also have, ooh, what should we do next? face masks. Got a few face masks in here. These are more like just a reminder. I now do my skincare so religiously that I don't really need them in here, but these are more of a reminder that I really want an LED light mask, and that's on my wish list. So that's why that's in here. I then have I got myself some pajamas. Chelsea Piers are my favourite pajamas at present. These are like the organic, really soft ones, and I gift to myself pajamas, not just on Valentine's Day, pretty much any occasion that I can get into, like, you know. Oh, it's still got the paper on it. My phone ran out of whatever ran out of memory. Anyway, I think of the camera. I think that's too close now. From Chelsea Piers, and they're my favourite. This is my favourite place to get pyjamas from. These are the organic cotton ones, and I do love them. They're so soft and they're just great. And then what else is in here? I have this new step-by-step veg patch book, and this actually a few years ago started off as just like a recipe book. I bought myself a recipe book because I really enjoy cooking, so that was which was like on one of my cards at one point, like cooker, you know, or learn to cook, or whatever, like a warming type of meal, you know, something that made me feel good. And then I really got back into cooking. I really enjoy cooking, and then I bought myself a recipe book because I wanted to learn to cook other things. And then now I am trying to grow my own, oh, that's a fun one, but trying to grow my own vegetables to then cook with, because last year I actually found that I grew some plants with the girls, and I really, not plants, I grew flowers, and we grew some tomatoes and stuff, and I really enjoyed it. I really actually enjoy being in the garden, and so I put some seeds in here that kind of space out like months to months, and then I can have flowers because I love flowers, and I can have vegetables. I can just go to my garden and get vegetables, and to me that's living, okay? And then, so yeah, I got this book which is by Lucy Chamberlain, and it's literally a step-by-step guide on how to create a patch, and you know, what vegetables to plant when, and that just excites me. And that's it. That's all that's in my box. That's not all that's in my box. Those are the things at present that bring me back down to earth when I feel overwhelmed or stressed or overstimulated. And yeah, guys, if you do this, let me know what you put in your box. I don't just do a box for myself, I do a box for the girls too, which is good fun. I mean, it's taught me to listen. It's definitely taught me to listen to their needs and their wants, so that it's exciting for me to do. But yeah, if you do end up doing a box for yourself, let me know what you put in it. If you don't want to, obviously this can be very private. Things that you could put in your box, you could have pictures. I didn't find pictures very helpful in my box because I find them more triggering than anything. But if you find pictures helpful, put pictures in, just to know that this is a timeout box. So it's something to soothe your soul rather than a memory box, which is different, okay? But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. Different from my other ones, but something that I do enjoy doing, and I wanted to share with whoever feels like they needed it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see, let me know in the comments first of all if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of videos like this, and let me know if you want me to go into any more detail with anything. I mean, feel free to DM me and I will happily go on. But no, this is something I've learned, and I do very much enjoy. As much as I like learning, I like sharing. So let me know, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.